Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. This is a boat that really does everything exceptionally well with no compromises. Whether you're going to spend a day out fishing or a day out at the sandbar or just doing some leisurely cruising around, this can do it all. And my cell phone number is listed right here, guys. If you have any questions, call me, text me, email me if you want, whatever you prefer. I'm always here. Let's jump up on the inside of this boat and see what it looks like. So here we are on board the 32 Vantage, and I want to start up front here on the bow. You can see that this boat is really designed to do everything exceptionally well with no compromises anywhere. Up front we have a huge sun lounge area, JL audio speakers, power ports everywhere to plug your phones in, swim ladder to board on and off the bow. Very convenient walk through here with a folding window. And plenty of shade with the hard top to keep you out of the sun. Starting to move back here, this big piece of glass is actually a window from your port side cabin. I'll open that up. She got really good space in here, teak flooring, nice comfortable seats, and like I said, that window really makes it feel big and open in here. Nice place to get out of the elements if you just need a little break from the sunshine and activity. Moving back over to starboard, we've got our head. Again, tons of space in here. You also have a sink and another window, make it feel a little more spacious. Back at the helm, we've got our Mercury vessel view, which is designed to be able to move around in case you want to put in your big electronics. You've got electronic steering, electronic throttles, joystick control, power seat even on this. Captain's seat moves with just a touch of a button. Moving back over to port side here, again, another power seat. All kinds of features on this boat. Coming back over here to our starboard side, we've got our prep station. We've got a big live well on this one, as well as a freshwater washdown. Great for cooking for your day out at the sandbar, or just getting ready to go fishing. Put a refrigerator down there. And one of my favorite features on this boat is the way our seats are configured. Not only do we have a table option there, but this whole system has so many different ways of configuring it. I'm going to show you here. We're going to do it, show you how easy it is. You just pull this little button. Let's slide this up to an angle here. Say we want to do some sun lounging. We'll take this back one, fold it down flat. Look at all that space you got. And if you wanted to, you could even fold this front one down flat, give you even more space to lay down in the back. If you're not in the day of lounging and you want to go do some serious fishing, just reach down, give this a little pull, it folds away, and now it's a knee bolster for fishing. Underneath, we've got dual fish lockers that are insulated, port and starboard, as well as an easy access door for docking or for beach use, as well as a walk-through in the back to our back swim platform. If you guys have any questions on this amazing boat, please feel free to give me a call anytime. My cell phone was listed right at the beginning. Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you.